All right, let's open this thing up. Instruction manual. And it's the controller. It's an empty box. Alright, I mean the HORI unboxing is pretty much the same every time we open up a HORI product. It feels the same kind of way. Plastic, it just feels like that same plastic that they use for most of their products. I mean, it's really light. This controller is really light. The buttons there. So we got L1, L2, L3, and L3 and R3. You got R1, R2 here. You got your triangle, circle, X, and box. It feels very cheap, I would say. This is very low. Look at how low that is. And it still has the button. This feels good. The D-pad feels good. I actually kind of like how that feels. I feel like you could do, you type motions easy with this. It's got a nice little recess. You can see how my thumb goes a little in there on that. Same with this. It's got like a nice little divot. These buttons feel good. Why do these feel so, I don't know, just like, maybe that's just how it's meant to feel. I don't know. The cord doesn't come out, y'all. The cord doesn't come out. And it is designed for the PS5, PS4, and PC. It's in the unlocked mode. I guess we have to read about that. And this is the HORI Fighting Commander. Yeah, so we're gonna have to test this thing out to see how well it does with fighting. You can also see there's a plug, just like on all their controllers and stuff, have the microphone plug there. No lights on it. Doesn't feel like it has any motorized anything inside of it. It's very light. And we'll have to take a look. So that's all that comes with the Fighting Commander. All right, we'll test this thing out on stream on Art with Arrow on Facebook, and we'll see how it performs. And I don't know if I recommend it right now, but we'll see.